Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm back today with a little share, actually a VR. I am sending in an entry for purposely crafting the divine intervention. She's a new YouTuber here, and she has just reached her first 100 subbies, and so she's doing a challenge giveaway. I will link her YouTube channel in the description box below so you can go check her out and find out the details to her challenge and find out how you can help her celebrate. She is asking for a MEMOERYDEX card, and so I did make this MEMOERYDEX card. I am trying to use up my cut aparts from Makaz Home and my Willow Lane collection. And then of course I have my information on the back. But this is my MEMOERYDEX card. And then I've also included a embellishment box. And it just says hello. I'm not going to open it. I'll let her, surprise for her. And I did add some other goodies in that I am going to include. So yeah, this is my entry to her 100 subby challenge giveaway. And again, it is purposely crafting the divine intervention. And I think you say her name Geneva. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing that incorrectly, but hope you guys are having a crafty week. And until the next episode or video, we will see you then. Shakas.